Good morning, good morning, good morning. Man, did y'all miss me? Y'all know that I wasn't here yesterday, but I'm here today. You feel me? And if you here with me today, you here with me to get some shmoneys. Right? So y'all already know that I do like analyzing gold, right? And that's just what I like to do. Okay. So we always on this channel gonna be talking about gold unless I decide to talk about something else. If you guys decide, you want to hit me up and ask me about other pairs, I will gladly mark those pairs for you. But in the meantime, guess what? We're going to be on here analyzing gold. All right? Every day. Now, let's real quick look at DXY and let's see what DXY got. DXY has been trending up. It looks like 1 hour trend to the upside. We do have a lot of insufficiencies sitting up over here. We can clean this up just a little bit, right? I just want to clean that up. All right. Yeah. That's gone. Okay. And up in here is gone too. So we just want to get rid of some things that we don't want our eyes to see, right? Market has been on here, have been going to more say to the upside, as you can tell. Look from down here, this bottom of the screen to up here is upside movement, right? So, and they have this obvious wick sitting right here. So let's go ahead and, well, I could have took one of those dollar signs and put it there, but we're going to say this is money right here. And yeah, and there's a lots of liquidity, like this big gap right here. Let's look at this slippage candle. All right. They did tap into this slippage area with this wick, which is why we're getting like this little push reversal back down type of move. But they have to be able to do this to get up in this area in order to come to reverse the price to come back to another area, which would be the fill of this candle. You see, there was this big slippage candle, and then we have to come back and fill it. 9 times out of 10, they will come to fill these candles. Okay, this is what they did, right? And we see the evidence of it. Look over here. Let's pick another one. Big push up candle, slippage candle. Let me zoom in so you can see it. Big zoom in, like big slippage candle right here. Zoom in on this candle. And what did they do in the future? They created some type of candles to be able to fill it. And now it's filled. It's filled over here. They filled this gap. So now that gap is filled, right? Anytime you see candles like that. So for instance, we have one sitting right here, right? Big sell candle, slippage all up in here, right? From wick to wick, slippage. So let me see something. What the heck is hitting me? Somebody hitting me or something? Shouldn't be. It really shouldn't be hitting me. Dude. All right, so I do see that they did dip into this slippage candle. Usually a dip, they're going to reverse the price. And they don't have to come all the way up into it to get a reversal. In the future, they will fill this whole candle. Right now, they tapped into it. They're going to go higher. But before they go higher, they're going to go lower. All right. They come up and then they're going to fall. So I'm looking at where could we fall to when it comes to DXY. Well, there are some gaps sitting down here. So we're going to go ahead and fix it. Fix our eyes. We see this here. So strong chance of them coming here to bounce up, right? They can Let me show you. All right, so they can come here down to this area, and then they can bounce up, right? They can even double top it before they go. I mean, double bottom it before they go, right? And then just continue on up, and they can get back up into this insufficiency. That is possible, right? That's a possible play. All right. I'm looking to see what else I might see in this area. All of this price is pretty much sufficient when it comes to the 1 hour. Only thing that is, I'm looking for insufficiencies in price. You find them on lower time frames. And then I mark them with these little pink magical boxes. Okay. Because these are going to be like gravitational pulls. So when I put these pink boxes on there, it does represent slippage, but it also represents gravitational pull on where I want market to be pulled into, up into here. So I want this market to come up here, right? Get above these wicks here. That's money sitting right there, right? Now they created a little money right there too. And we got a gap sitting above too. It's a small one, but I'm gonna mark it anyway. And that's because it's on, this is showing on the 30-minute. So let's see. All right. And this is what I'm looking for. So target, target, target. Another target. Another target. So we got some money sitting above, and then you don't want to forget about the money sitting below. All right. We do got money down there. Here's another little gap. You want to mark all of these up. And then let's see what else we got. There's always a lot going on below. So you got some money sitting here, and and here, and there. And then there's a gap sitting right here. So we're gonna mark this gap. All right. And then we got more below. Okay, but I'm sure there's like a nice amount sitting above. This big gap, man, that just to me just like screams like they want to come up there. And they're not going to just leave this gap and then run to the downside. I don't see that happening. So if this is the case, and I'm looking for buys on DXY, and I'm looking for sales on gold. Reason why I'm looking is because they correlate together. So here we have a signal I already put out. If you are in my Telegram group, make sure you know what I'm saying, paying attention to that notification. That notification is the money notification. I'm letting you know that I'm in the markets at 24.26, right? And I already put the signal out this morning. So we are currently at this price. So you guys, to me, this signal is still pretty valid. If this doesn't work out, guys, I'm looking for market to get up in this area. This is going to be my next point of interest, okay? This is why using proper risk management is important, because if one shot don't play off, then I'm going to go definitely take the shot a little higher in a different spot, right? Different price action area. So this zone up here, I'm just going to put this eyeball up here so we can see it. All right. A little bigger. All right. Let's see what we got going. So let's talk about it. What we've been doing. Man, we've been going up. Up, up, up. Yep. nice. Okay. So let's go in here. Looks good. I'm gonna just go back to the hourly real quick so you can see that we've been, hold on. All right. And we've been going up for a minute because look at the hourly. But look what we got down here. Real nice big W. A real nice big W. These guys, hopefully these guys are taking profit because they will come back down. Market is going to come back down and put all these people back in break even or negative. All right. It can happen now or it can happen up here. You know, up here would be probably the better shot. I mean, I probably could get a better shot up here, but who knows? They might not even get up here. You know, they might leave this for tomorrow or something like that. Or just a later date. You just don't know. So I'm just basing off of what we got right now and where we stand and where we sit right now. And I'm looking at, you know, keeping my mind on the fact that DXY has liquidity above. Yes, it has liquidity below, but it has a big insufficiency in price sitting above. And I'm wondering when they're going to correct that. So I'm wondering if this is a good time to even bring in the sales, right? Could the sellers be coming in just yet? I kind of see sellers here, but they're still not as strong as I would want them to be. But it doesn't mean that they can't fucking come in and bring in volume later, right? So right now it's like, all right, this per pink box right here is insufficiency in price. So looking at this pink box, if I was to drop down on a lower time frame, they smacked through this pink box on the lower time frame too, feeling it like crazy. But what they did was they created slippage on their way up there, threw us some engulfing candles to come back down, created some slippage. They came up, filled this little slippage. Now they're coming down. And they're just been pausing, holding in this price zone, right? for some minutes now. So I'm thinking they did give us a new 5-minute engulfing pattern that I do like to see. So it's giving me more confirmation on the sell side versus buy side. But also just going to have to wait a little bit. But this is the trade idea that I am thinking that we can, you know, it might play out, right? Nobody in trading knows if their trade is going to play out or not. So if they say they know, they lying, okay? It's about probabilities game, right? You got to understand the probabilities game, and you also need to understand risk to reward, and how to do proper account management, how much money you got in your account and how to manage that per the risk to reward that you're going to be taking in each trade. And if you don't get that, then you're going to just be out here, guys, just gambling. You're just throwing your money away, just going off of luck, I guess, and you don't have to. You know, we can do some analysis to lower your risk. So currently right now, this is where we're sitting in this trade right now, guys. I'm thinking DXY got some stuff above. So if that's the case, then we could fall. But if we're not ready to fall just yet, I got a nice little tight little stop on her, like right here. Okay. Like this little 50 pip stop. Now I do see some stuff that's above. So let's do this. I'm gonna move this here, and because they create things when they're moving in price. So I'm gonna put this little box here because this box is also insufficiency. When they came down, they slipped. So I cannot not mark that up. All right. They could come here and then fall, or they could just like what they did here with this slippage that was right there. What they did was, let's zoom in, see. They came back, they played back in that insufficiency and price slippage over here. Look left, played back in it, and then they came down. Right now, I'm thinking, well, is this all the play they want to do, or could they come up, play up in this area, and then fall? See, this is why you got to be vigilant, paying attention. You can't be taking naps at this time, right? You gotta be able to stay focused and zeroed in on what market has done before and what it's capable of doing in the past. I know that this market is capable of coming up here, so I know I'm gonna probably be in some type of drawdown. Well, how do I want to handle and manage this? Well, it depends on the type of trader you are, right? And depends on your account management. Well, I cannot take another shot here. Most likely I can. Then if I can, then I will take another shot. If I'm a hold, I'm a hold. But I'm gonna make sure that I need market to tell me I'm wrong. And it's okay if I'm wrong. I don't mind being wrong, guys. I'm consistent. We're not here to be perfect. We're here to be consistent. All right. This is what it's about with us trading together. Okay. So we all here to learn from each other. All right. Now I'm looking at it like, all right, I could take a shot here, probably up in this area. Took a little small little shot here. I'll probably take another small little shot up in this area. It just depends. I want to watch the price action just to see how it rolls and how it goes, right? But I'm looking at, there's a lot of things sitting below that has caught my attention. And that's this here is a gap down here. There's a gap right here. And there's another one right here. All right. So to me, these are 3 targets, right? Those are my 3 targets, because I've already said that I want gold to come down if DXY was moving more to the upside. Then then that means that I want gold to fall like that. Now, and there's more to it than just watching DXY rise and then find the target and hit it and then sell gold now. No, you got to understand. I also understand smart money concepts. So I understand what happened before because I could see what happened before. Look at this accumulation. What do you think they were doing here? Right? They were accumulating, building up orders so that they could get above here. And that's what they did. All right, let's see. Let me show you some. You see this candle wick right here? It was money, liquidity, but now it's X'd out. You know what I'm saying? Just like my ex, X'd out, right? Low blow, right? But it's like dead ass, like X'd out. They were flying. Got them. Flying. Got them. All right. Push up a little bit more. Feeling this insufficiency. All right. Boom. And then they reverse. Why didn't this market continue going all the way up here? Why didn't this market just continue making? You know what I'm saying? Oops. I don't know what that was. My bad, guys. Oh, maybe it's my highlighter. All right. Why didn't this market continue going up? Ask yourself. Because of smart money concept. Because they were grabbing liquidity of the highs. All right. So we just been alerted that TP1 has been smashed. So let's go ahead and update the group real quick. Give me a second. All right. So I just let everybody know, if you're in my Telegram group, you're getting alerted. If you're not in the Telegram group, make sure you go to the description below and click the link. It is free. Free trades, baby. Free trades. Who don't like free monies? I know I do. All right. So as you can see, market is hitting our target areas. All right. Let's see, what else did we do? All right. So ask yourself, why this market didn't continue going? Because you got to understand the smart money concept way is when they're grabbing liquidity, they're grabbing it so they could turn around. Okay. It's a pivotal area, right? They grabbed it and then they turned around. All right. Now they created all this money, right? All right. Well, there's gaps and all kind of stuff sitting down there, right? It's up to you to figure out the direction on where money is sitting. So I could see where money sits. And then I'm like, all right, more money sitting in these lower spots. Okay. So I'm looking at targets, guys. I just wanted a few targets and I'm just going to hold and just to see if this was to play out. If this is a turnaround spot, I want to hold this trade till she comes back down. Okay, she did just hit TP1 and I did not put her at break even. But it was too close to hit it break even though I've seen this insufficiency getting filled. So we're just gonna stick around and just wait and see what more we can get from this trade. We might go ahead and get, let's see, TP2 is down here at 24.22. So we're gonna put a little alert right here at 24.22, and we're gonna get alerted when the next TP gets hit. We're gonna hold the trade, not gonna let this fluctuation play with your feelings, your emotions, okay? You're just going to let price action breathe and do what it gotta do. Because to me, this is pretty good price action that is making. It slipped and then it came up and filled it and now I wanna come back down. That's perfect. That's perfect. That's good price action, right? I don't care if I did lose some profits. When she gave me 20 pips, I could have took the 20 pips. If you, listen guys, if you want to take 20 pips first TP and go on about your day, feel free. feel free. Feel free to do it. All right. 20 pips is good. 20 pips a day will keep a job away, for real. Just depending on how big your lot size is. Anyways, so what am I doing right now is just basically I'm just waiting to see um, if we can get below these lows down here. If I can get below this first low and then this low right here, would be great. And then there's this wick right here, obvious wick, sitting below these lows. So yeah, we just have to wait and see how this market pan out. It could take like this little dip right here could bring this market back all the way up, guys. We don't know. We just gotta wait and see. I say, all right, well, if this one don't pan out, my next shot gonna be here. Like I'm gonna be looking. Oh, let's see. And that's a lot going on up here. Mm. Let's see what we got. Right now, I'm just investigating right now just to see what we got going on. Because we have been doing this nice little trend to the upside. Now I'm just trying to find the pivotal point on where she could turn around at. This is one area that I found that she could turn around at. There is areas sitting above too. So that's also something I want to keep my mind and eye on. Okay. Let's do this one too. Because you can't find it unless it's on the lower time frame. You gotta go to lower time frame to be able to find these insufficiencies. That's like very important. So give me a second. All right. Did we engulf here? No, not really. So still gonna wait it out, guys. I'm not gonna make any drastic decisions. Sorry, I just turned this thing back on. I need to check the news. Mm-hmm. All right, so they filled this, came down, filled that, came up. We could come up to this area. We could come up to here. It's just a waiting game now to see if we're going to come here and come down or if we're just going to, fluctuate around this area and then push more to the downside. All right. It's the 1 hour for me. I would like a little bit more shown on the 1 hour. More of a confirmation, but it looks good. Like what I did was I found this area over here, so we knew that we had this insufficiency in price that she came up into, right? And then low key, this is like, let's see, did this thing fully clear it? Yeah, it fully cleared this area. When you find those lower insufficiencies in price, right, you'll be able to see where market is going to run to, and where it could from there, where it could possibly like turn around at. You know what I'm saying? So be vigilant of those. And here we have a 1 hour. I am vigilant of the fact that we have this gap sitting up here, but there is gaps here and then these little ones here from the lower time frame. And we got this one sitting here. And we just want to put money there. Right, that's another little gap. There's money sitting there. This is money here, there's money down here, there's money below, right? We are still trending to the upside, but it's this area here when it was accumulating. Oh my God, how many messages do I have? All right. My bad, guys. She definitely don't want to turn down or nothing. All I'm trying to do real quick is get this thing on. But it don't want to come on, so I have to wait until it load, man. All these phones I have. I got 3 different phones, and I don't even know what's happening to it. And it's always the Android that wants the iPhone's doing just fine. And it's like popping up stuff that don't even belong on the screen. It's crazy. But anyways, trying to get this stuff off my phone. Cause it's like literally bothering me in my stream. I can't even stay focused on it because the phone's just going crazy. Playing stuff that I ain't even trying to play. All right, but anyways, it's this area over here that kind of got my attention, and then there was this reaccumulation area. When they took that, I wanted to see more of this 1 hour. I would have loved to see more of the 1 hour candle pull down more and close more. This is a kind of weak ass little candle, but it might hold up. Let me just go and see. So you look at this accumulation, push up, take, right? Take the liquidity here, liquidity grab, and then hopefully we can turn around and get this pull back to the downside. We did get TP1, but she's still kind of like giving that, like, rejection. You feel me? They're doing rejections right now. So trying to just see if we can come back down. But it's looking a little, like I said, there was this insufficiency sitting right here. And today is what? Today Friday, right? Because I was sick. So I was a little off on my days, but it is Friday, so So let's see. Fridays is always like crazy days too. But let's just see what we can get. We just go and grab what we can grab, guys. Like we ain't trying to grab too much. We just want a little. So we did get TP1, and they did give us. Let's see what they gave us. Let me see how many pips we got so far. 25. So we did get 25 pips before she pulled back on us. But we did notice that they had some things above that they can come up to, right, before maybe making the next step to the downside. But the momentum is I do see the momentum is bullish. I'm just trying to find a counter trend, a counter trade. Instead of looking to do the buys to the upside, I want to counter trade for sales to the downside, because we have been buying, and now I'm looking to see if we can maybe get. I swear, I tell people 100 times that I'm in a session. It don't matter if I text them what they want to video chat me. They want to do the most. I can't even turn the phone on good, and people hit me up. And the phone just don't want to turn on or turn down. I want to turn it down and put it on mute or something, but it just don't want to. All right, silence. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Sorry about that, guys. But anyways, let's see what we got. We might not be ready to turn around just yet. This one here with the eye would be my next zone that I would be looking to sell at. That would be where I'd be looking to sell next if this market does continue to come up, because it is pushed against us. It did gave us 20 clicks, but let's look at it from this perspective. Like I said, they can get up into this area here, which was insufficiency in price, where we could get there. They did dip down into this one, and now that one comes up. This dip is going to help them get up here, so they can grab some money here. So they grabbed it here, they're going to grab it here, and then let's see what they do. Will they continue to move up with this? Because they can. And if they do, all right, cool. Move on to the next trade. Don't think that, if I get hit, you don't know how to trade. It's not the case. Check my record. It's about the fact that I'm consistent. I never said I was perfect, all right? It's the difference, right? So, yeah, I'm looking at points of areas of where market can go. I already marked it. I'm already vigilant of it. So yes, drawdown is possible. Now, your patience is, will you wait, or will you close, or will this market continue going? If it gets above here, then of course I'm out the trade, and I'm looking for the next. I'm looking for the next opportunity, which would be above, guys. This price up here, or this price up here. One or the other. And that's how that will work. Okay? Like, negatives don't phase me. It's about price action and just holding out that P&L to see if it even will work out. If you get hit, it's okay, guys. Don't be a crybaby. Just get back in the game. Figure out where you went wrong, and let's make it right. We all are gonna go through that, with the trading journey of, getting hit. But can you handle getting hit? How are you handling getting hit? You know what I'm saying? So anyway, so we are we are a little bit in the negative. I still feel a little under the weather from yesterday. I couldn't stream yesterday because I was in the hospital yesterday. So my bad about that, guys. Let's see what we got. I mean, I like this accumulation area here. I like how they took these tops here. This real quick take, boom, reverse. I mean, now we're back to retesting the area that we broke. So if we retest this area, I'm looking for us to pull back down. So I was expecting some negative. We're just gonna have to wait. Let's see. Also, today is the last day that I will have my computer set up here. I'm actually currently at my mother's house. So I'm leaving today and I'm going into Atlanta. And I also have to fly to another state. But in Atlanta is where I'm going to do the new setup at, so hopefully, I could get it done in time. Most likely I will get it done in time for, market opening up on Sunday so I can get a pretty good evaluation of what the market is going to do for the week, next week. All right. So just want to give you guys a heads up that I will be moving the office just in case I don't get it up in time for Monday, which I should. I'm just saying, just in case. I'm just letting you know. All right. But I will be keeping you updated on the Telegram group. So make sure you're there. All right. Now, let's see. Trying to just see what else I could see, whatever I could get. I did marked up pretty much everything so far. We're just in this zone right here. We've been in this price action zone for a while. I've been watching it for over an hour. So now it's just a waiting game. I'm just gonna wait and see what she do. Will she come into this insufficiency? What she did, she dipped into it just a little bit. But is this enough to bring us back down? All right. She filled this area. So now this becomes liquidity there. Right? Wicks is liquidity. Wicks is liquidity, guys. There's money in the Wicks. And money is liquidity. Money is your orders. So there's orders in the Wick. So we're gonna mark that. All right. Now it's just be patient and just wait it out. Either you can set this and forget this. If you want, you can lower your risk if you want. There's so many things that you could do. It's totally up to you. Not me managing your account. I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. So, and this isn't financial advice on this channel. This is just my ideas, guys. Just my ideas. That's it. They're just ideas. And yeah, sometimes those ideas play out and sometimes they don't. Right? So Trying to see if we're going to keep pushing up. It does kind of look like it, like in a sense, because we haven't necessarily broken this trend yet. We just really pretty much accumulated. This accumulation is kind of making me want to think that we're going to come down. This is why I wanted to sell, because we got these bottoms here and we took the tops already. So I'm just thinking that we could come to the downside now. But again, guys, it is a waiting game. So we will wait and see what we gonna get. I'm gonna take a moment, just a second. I got an alert. I'm gonna put another alert like right in the middle of this box. So if I take too long, I'll get alerted. All right. I'm gonna step away for just one moment. And yeah, we're gonna watch this area right here do its thing. Okay. Hopefully she doesn't fly like crazy while I step just away for a second. All right. Now I'm just running go to the kitchen and get this water and some ice. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, guys. I'm back. All right. Go grab this real quick. I'm sitting here talking, and you need water. I be forgetting to get my water and tea and stuff. So, so let's see what we got. Oh, she did come back up into this little area here. All right. I mean, it was expected to know that she was gonna come up in here. So let's just look at her on the lower time frame. Yeah, and we don't have any news or nothing like that, so it's just regular volume in the market. We got up in here 1, 2, 3 times. Made a little bit of slippage here. Probably made some slippage on 1 minute. Further down here. Yeah, a little further on down here. So you see how they came up, filled the slippage area here? Told you 9 times out of 10 they're gonna fill these areas. So I'm looking for them to most likely kind of like fill this area too. If I adjust this a little bit more, it would be more like this, right? Let's see. I would say more pull this up here some, right? Like all of these black candles are slippage candles. These 3 candles are slippage candles. So let's see, will they work their way back up into this area? I'm just redefining it just a little bit more. High chance. Let me go and see. Yeah, these 3 candles, that's the slippage area. So naturally, they're going to want to come back up into this area. Tap that. Let's go look at DXY. It must be moving down. That's the only reason why gold would ever want to move up is if DXY is moving down in some kind of way. And for the past couple minutes, yeah, she has been moving down. Let's go look at her 15 minute or 10 minute. It's 15 minutes. I would have liked her to move more to the upside. We don't really have any news, so markets is just moving back and forth, slowly, gradually moving into the direction they want to go into, but just taking its time. Let's look here. Still, momentum is still more, say, to the upside. I still like the fact that we have this insufficiency in these wick areas here, liquidity sitting there. But we do have some things sitting below. We keeping our eyes on. Always be vigilant of what's above and what's below. So it's just the spot that we're in right now is just a little tricky. Let's go back here real quick. Yeah. Looking at the 1 hour here, we still have this gap here. This would have been more of a shot of for the short. I would have liked to take it here. And then let's see what this gap is. It's a 58 pip gap. So I will be looking inside of this gap as she gets up into this area for sales. And if this shot doesn't take, then you already know I'm going to be looking to take the next shot up here. So to me, it's about taking shots. Where can I take a shot at? Can I take one here? And then I'm going going to be looking to bring these markets down, back down, taking up all of these lows here. Look left right here. There's a insufficiency in price. I'm gonna take it there. All right. I'm gonna be looking to take it to all insufficiencies in price to the downside. All right, so she did get up into that. We are alerted that she's in that box. So let me go up here, back up here a little. All right. Man, I gotta go take more meds. I still feel like shit, y'all. I still feel like crap. I ain't even gonna lie. I don't even know how I made it here this morning. By the grace of God, because I can't get out the bed. But good thing, you know, my desk is just right here. So, excuse me. All right. Man, the worst thing I can't stand no cold, man. Hate a cold. All right, so we did tap up into this area here. Listen, I'm gonna hold this trade. It was at 9 o'clock. We still haven't got anywhere. We hit TP1. She didn't get down here to TP2, alert us of TP2, or to alert us of TP3. Let's see, TP3 right here. So, what is it, 22? We're gonna do TP3 like right here. All right, so we're just gonna move this up. So right there, that's TP3. We should get alerted. I'm gonna put an alert here for stop loss. So if we get stopped out, then okay, I'm gonna be notified, and I'll be updating the group in Telegram, because Telegram did get this call. All right, I did call it at 24.26. And stop loss is at 24.32 right here at this price, 0.05. So it did kind of fill this gap here. All right, kind of. Not filled it, but it halfway got it through it. Remember, I put alert at the halfway point, so it hit the halfway point and turned around. Excuse me. We're just gonna have to see and wait, guys, because she is definitely moving more, say, to the upside. Getting up into this insufficiency in price. She's still wanting to get there, so let her do it. Still walking up, guys. Still doing manipulation here. They took all this, so they manipulated this here so they could come back up and get up into this insufficiency in price. So they're still floating in this insufficiency area, guys. I was wondering if the 50 pip was enough for a turnaround. Like, could that fit this with a 56 pip? 56 pip ain't shit. So let's just see how she slammed. If she keeps continuing going through this area and feels it, then I know that she's going to take these tops here, right? These little wicks here, and then the next location price point is going to be 24.37. That's all. This is all that she gave us today. I mean, and let me pick it up. This is all they gave us since 8 o'clock. You know what I'm saying? After that, the 9 o'clock now bell is open. Now we in New York. They most likely look what they've been doing, pushing. So we're just gonna see what they're gonna do up in this area. Will they turn around? Right? Now that it's New York, 9 o'clock time. Or are they gonna continue to go to the high side, to those other points of interest that we have on the chart? It's just a patience game, guys. Just a patience game. And because, I missed yesterday because of due to me having to go to the hospital, I'm gonna stay here a little longer with you guys today. Just to see how this market is going to play out for us on this signal. So yeah, this is, if you've been here with me, you know that, I don't usually be on stream for over, an hour. Usually at 8 o'clock, probably about 8:30, we usually have our targets hit. You know what I'm saying? So, but if I stay a little later, I ain't gonna hurt nobody. Just want to help you guys out. And due to the fact of me missing yesterday, I want to stay a little longer today. I thought we would already, over here, would have already hit our targets. We hit target 1, but we didn't get to target 2 or 3. So we waiting on these to hit here. Just sitting back waiting. It's the worst thing is to have a bad cold and need to talk on screen. It's not good for you at all. Not good for me. So I'm trying to see if there's anything that I missed that will make this market want to go up. I do see some really nice, this here mitigating down into this area here and then popping up, and then after that, let's see, did they create some, they did create slippage and never came back down to it. And then getting above here, they created some slippage, but they came down, filled it real quick. And then still kept pushing a little higher, getting into the insufficiency sitting here. But they never filled this area. So, and then I'm wondering if they fill this area due to this way this market is going to keep trending, will they turn around here and to come down, or will they continue to go? That's the beauty of trading, guys. Just not knowing, but kind of reading the story to see where market could go. So if you are wrong, you can always catch yourself later, right? But market will have to prove to you that you're wrong. or whatever as far as direction. And this way, when you do know direction, you finally get a confirmation, more confirmation on direction, then you're able to, jump back into the trade in the right direction. Because not all the time you're going to be right, you're going to be wrong. You just need to know how to catch yourself if you are wrong to get right, if that makes sense. So, man, excuse me. I just want to see if she does hit, or like, I want to see. Really, I'm waiting to see if she fills this area here and give me a reversal to come down. Because sometimes you could be right, guys. Even though we entered down here, we just entered too early. Market pulled back some and then, did its thing. Because listen, if you ever get into a trade down here and you look above, look left, or look above, and you see slippage, know that you're going to be in drawdown. Just know that. Still the summertime. I don't even know how. I caught a cold. Usually catch colds when in the wintertime, ain't it? But I am in a new environment, and shit happens. Look at this ugly accumulation area. They're just gathering orders right now, guys. Really, it looked like 14 minutes of them just gathering orders. So really, this stream, because I got some other things that I have to do, and they're just taking a lot of my time today, this morning on this stream. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to end the stream, but I am going to get off because I have to go handle some other business. I want to peek in and see what's going on. I have my alert set, so my alert's gonna let me know what's up. Period. And anyway. So hopefully they just feel this and fall. If not, they'll come up, and then, like I said, the next area that I'm looking for is up here. So I've been waiting to see if we're going to get this pull back off of this area. We got this gap down here. Let me just do this. Let's go. Let's see. Usually it stalls like this if DXY is doing some some BS. You know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all going back and forth checking the DXY and correlating it with gold. So if DXY is starting to push down, then you better know gold is going to push up. If DXY pushes up, then gold will start pushing down, eventually. Now there's going to be a time when you go look at DXY and you look at gold and they both moving in the same pushing in the same damn direction. But let me tell you, it's not for long. That is a short push. Short push. You gotta wait and watch DXY and watch gold and look at, you gotta get those targets too, guys. Y'all not having those targets either. So you gotta have these little targets here, targets, targets down there. We do have targets above. Like I said, if this one doesn't pan out, guys, I'm aiming for the next point of interest, which is be up here. All right, let's see them feel it. This is what I wanted to see right here. Yep, they surpassed it. All right, so most likely they're gonna take top there. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it short here. Let's see if they get here. Just $3 signs sitting there. So they might be coming forward. If I go look at DXY and see that DXY is tanking, let's see the price, 0.16. Yeah, DXY is tanking. Last I checked, it was like 0.20. So, where did it go? Where could she be going? Little gaps here. Yep, see these little gaps? Makes sense. If you can make it make sense, then you will know that it won't be as bad once you get hit, because you made it make sense. It makes sense. The reason why gold is flying to the high side is because DXY is flying to the downside. So now, okay, stop. Did the stop get hit? 32. Okay, I guess we still waiting on stops to get hit. Stops still haven't got hit yet. But this nice little push to the upside is like this little candle here, push to the upside. They did fill this area. So it is full. This tap wasn't enough to bring it down. This tap wasn't enough to bring it down. Up here, they had to fill it. And they got all the way up here to this last buy to sell candle right here. Let's see. Let me show you. last buy to sell candle. Sell. All right. So we're still waiting on, I don't know why the P&L isn't there. What happened? I'm not sure why the P&L isn't there. I don't remember deleting it. Okay, we got these. Where's my alerts? Like some weird shit just happened. Like they just took away my chart. Oh, that's weird. Well, I don't see my chart anymore. Oh, there it is. Here's your alerts. All right. I don't know what just happened. That was weird. It wasn't there before, but it is there now. All right. What happened with this? Did I move this on accident or something? I have no idea what happened with this, but this should have been right there. Yeah, 46, 24, 26. Yeah, that was the entry price. All right, cool. I don't know what happened, guys. I just need to lock it. Let me lock it. It disappeared somehow. Let's go to 5 minute here. Let's look. All right, let's look. Keep looking. Okay. They did get up into this area here. Still not hitting our stop loss, guys. They still didn't hit the stop loss up here. So, but it's still a high chance of them hitting it because of DXY is just tanking to the downside right now. So, we could still get hit here if DXY wants to continue to move down versus moving up, which it's flying to the downside. Let's look at the numbers. Look, it was at 116. I was at 113, 14. Look. Mm-hmm. And it's not slowing down. She ain't slowing down. So, yeah. You could do some account management on your trade now. You can exit now if you like, or you could just continue to hold until it stops. I like to set and forget and just let it do what it's gonna do. If it tap me out, tap me out. Because there's some times where I'll set a trade and I'll walk away, and it's up to market fluctuations to either take me out of the trade or put me deep in profits. And there's times where I come back and check and I'm out of the trade. And then there's sometimes I come back and I check and I'm still in the trade. So, setting and forgetting is something. But here we're like in some drawdown right now. Let's see. Yeah, we've already hit probably about 54 pips of drawdown. We're sitting at 48 pips right now. Close to 50 pips of drawdown. So, I mean, just looking at how this market look, I'm gonna be honest, guys. This market gonna take these tops because DXY is not ready to pull up or something for some reason, which I would have thought DXY wanted to pull up into that insufficiency that it has above, but not all the time. It goes when I make the call. So it's all about just being consistent and just waiting on it. Just wait on it. But I do know that if DXY continues to move to the downside, y'all expect gold to rise up. So where are we sitting at with Bitcoin? 60,000. Yeah, we still getting that presence of push it, push it, push it, push it. All right. Can we turn somewhere? Because this was the last buy to sell candle, you know, selling off these candles, last buy to sell candles. You can sell off those candles, guys. These candles here, if you sell off of those candles, you'll get some decent pips. You just have to just be vigilant, using proper risk management when buying and selling off of these institutional candles. So yeah, we're just gonna, I guess, keep holding this thing out. But again, I got like a few more minutes and then I gotta go. Pick up prescription. Get some food in, fruit, all that good stuff. All right. Well, I'm gonna just hold this thing, and she already got me deep in some drawdown right now. But drawdown is part of the game, guys. If you can't take the wins, the drawdown and the wins, then you're not ready for this game. You got to be able to handle both. And I like being in drawdown because I like to see where market could pivot, like have a pivotal point at. And I like to see how do I react when I'm in drawdown. And like currently right now, I'm brushing my hair. No, it's not a nervous reaction. I'm just working on my waves. And what's more to get more strokes on your waves when you're sitting here watching the trade, waiting for a trade to turn around. So I got a few more minutes with you guys, and then I'm serious. I got a jet. I'm sorry. I'll see you guys again Monday, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Make sure you're here. Make sure you're locked and loaded. Make sure you got your notebook, taking notes, because I be giving out mad nuggets on this channel. All right. Every day is not a win day, but it is a learning day. You feel me? So, yeah, that's all I really got for y'all right now. But I'm gonna just go ahead and go because I gotta go. I'm on a time schedule. So if market does come up and smacks it, that's okay. I already gave you guys the next coordinates. And that's pretty much all. I'm gonna end the week right there because I got some things I gotta take care of. But yeah, this is all I got. I'm gonna just let her, hit on stream. Because you need that. I need to be transparent with y'all. See my wins, but also see my hits. You feel me? If I get hit, which I am, it look like I'm about to. And boom. All right, cool. We out. That's all I wanted, so that I can move on with my day. because I can't be here all day. All right, guys. Well, yep. Thank you guys for coming to my channel. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Come back for more trades, okay? You know, as you know, things do happen. We do get hit on this channel, okay? Nothing on this channel is perfect, all right? We did only get 20 pips from price entry, but it did turn around and it just hit our stop. Now, this could have been more of where I would have entered at, if anything, and probably would have used proper risk there for another shot. But at this moment, I don't see it happening because of the fact that DXY is just tanking so deep. So I don't know if probably even using proper risk management, selling off of this area would be feasible. You could sell off of this area with the highs, stop loss above the highs or something like that. But I would just be real careful with the fact that we're still trending in this direction. Momentum is still going up. That's it. All right. But shit happens and we just let it happen. And we move on and we just go to the next trade. All right. Well, I'll be seeing you guys Monday because I got to get up out of here. I'll see you guys Monday, 8 a.m. Eastern time. That's all I got for you today. All right, guys. So this is where we left off with, and it's cool. I'll see you guys Monday. One love, peace, more diesel out.